Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Omar and I'm gonna give this whole YouTube thing a try, and I am titling this channel The Vargas Blueprint because I want to help everyone out there to become a better version of themselves by giving them a blueprint on how to basically feel more confident in your body, whether that's in the gym. Today's video that I'm gonna put out for the first one is going to be a yoga video, and I think yoga is great for everyone, but I'm also going to do some skincare and routines to help you just feel more confident in your own skin. So yeah, thanks for clicking on this video, and I hope you join along in this YouTube journey with me. So let's get to this first yoga video. Here we go. All right, I got my two dogs here, Nala and Junior, in the back. I'm sure you're gonna see a lot of them on this channel, but yeah, as I said, let's get into today's yoga video. Basically, this video is going to be a video targeting lower back pain because lower back pain is something that I have been dealing with for many years, and this is a quick little exercise that I do every single morning to help relieve this lower back pain. So yeah, we're gonna get started by going on your back flat right here. And the first thing you guys are going to do is lift your left leg up to your chest and just hold it there for a good 30 seconds. Make sure you guys are breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth in a slow, controlled manner. All right, you're gonna slowly drop that leg down and bring up your right leg. And same thing, there we go. Just had a little pop in the hip flexor getting loose. Here's Nala getting close. Okay, after that, stretch them both out, and then now you're going to bring both legs in and give yourself a big hug, and just hold that for a good 30 seconds. And for your breathing, as I said, just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth in a slow, controlled way. You don't want to force your breathing. Right. Good, so now staying on your back, you are going to take your left leg and actually cross it over. We're going to stretch our lower back out. So we're going to put our right hand on the outside of our knee and slowly just guide it across your body as such. And just hold that there. You can keep your right leg either straight or bent while you're in this position, whatever's comfortable for you, and just hold that. There goes Nala again, saying hi to all you guys on there. Oh, this should feel really good on your lower back. All right, slowly come back up, and then same thing on the other side. Bring your right leg up this time, left hand on the outside of the knee, and just bring it across your body and just hold it right there. Control your breathing. Couple more seconds. Okay, stretch it out a little bit. And so now we're going to do windshield wipers. So basically you're gonna bend both legs, and now what you're going to do is just go back and forth. Let me scoot up more in frame. Back and forth like this, keeping your feet on the ground, but this should really open up your hips and feel really good. Keep them loose. There's Junior. Junior's awake. There we go. A couple more. Nice. Okay, so now we're going to hop over and go on your hands and knees, and we're going to stretch out the lower back. This movement's going to be called the cat-cow, and so you're going to be on your hands and knees, and basically what you're going to do is pretend, and there's Nala stretching. There we go. Can you lay down? Good girl. There we go. All right, so what you're going to do is bring your head and your butt up and then sink your hips to the floor. Hold that for a couple seconds, and then what you're going to do, you're going to push your hands into the ground and go like this. There you go. This should feel really good. Same thing right here. And if it's too much, don't overly extend on your back, because you can really kind of hurt your back if you force it too much. Just go light. Right here, a couple more. There we go. Let's do one more round. All right. That feels really good. Okay, so now we are going to come and just do a butterfly. So basically we're gonna do, put your feet together and put your hands on your ankles or your toes, and really use your elbows to drive down on your legs and just open up the groin. Because when you have a tight groin, that can lead to some lower back pain. There we go. It should feel really good. You can kind of shake it out a little bit, loosen it up, and then press down again. And if this is causing just a little pressure on your lower back, don't lean too far forward. Just sit up and then kind of keep your back straight, and then just lean forward ever so slightly, and you'll feel your lower back ease up a little bit, but still a good stretch in your groin. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we're gonna go back on our hands and knees as such, and you are actually going to bring your right leg to your right hand like this, and keep your left leg, keep that knee down. Put your right hand on your knee and then just go out like that, and you should feel your groin just really open up. And again, a tight groin will most likely equal a tight back, so it's really good to loosen up everything around that area. Just hold that, and if this is putting a lot of pressure on your wrist, keeping you stable, you can either use a yoga block or make a fist and kind of lean on that if your wrist is hurting a little bit. There we go. And then go to the next side. So basically what you're gonna do, same thing. Bring your left foot to your left hand, grab your left hand on your knee, and just really open up. I'll face this way for the camera for you guys. Just like this. And you can really just feel that groin opening up. Remember, control your breathing on this, because you do not want to pass out while you're doing yoga. And I know from experience when I first started that it is very easy to hold your breath while doing these poses. we go. And then staying in this position, I also like going on my hands and knees, bringing your right foot back up, and then now standing up like this and just leaning forward. And this should really just open up your whole lower section by your groin and your hip flexors. So keeping your back foot and your left leg down on the ground, just feeling that left groin open up like this. Hold that for a little bit. You can go back and forth just to keep it loose. There we go. One more, just go back down and just hold it for a good 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now same thing, but on the other side, left leg goes forward. And what you're gonna do is just bring that hip forward like this. There we go. Don't extend your back like this. Keep your back straight and just lean forward and put a lot of your weight on that front foot and let your back foot just rest and your back leg rest, and just feel that right hip flexor just open up. All right. Again, you can go in and out of it if you want. Just hold it for a good 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can release and then just do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, that is a quick little yoga session that you guys can do. As I said, I do it every day right before work when I get up because, of course, sleeping 7 to 8 hours in a bed, your body will get super stiff. And when you already have lower back pain, the best thing to do is to, get up, get some water in you, and then just stretch it out before you go to work, especially at my job when I'm sitting most of the day. It's good to keep it loose. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and be on the lookout for future videos from everything that is yoga to gym workouts to grooming. And welcome to the Vargas Blueprint.